Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in image on hover in Shopify. So first, go ahead and type Magic Tool Plus, and then search for it. Then on the results, you're going to see this Magic Zoom Plus with its logo. Click it and you'll be directed here. Just go ahead and simply tap install. Next is that it will direct you here to give access to the app. Go ahead and click install. Once installed, it'll pop up in this apps and sales channels section. Once it's already installed, simply toggle this Dawn Live theme on. Then go ahead and open theme settings. Then once you're in the theme settings, go ahead and toggle the Magic Zoom Plus button on. Then in these featured products, you can just go ahead and zoom in on it. Yeah, so from there, just simply click save and zoom in the image on hover of your products. You can then check products. It will automatically zoom in on the product just so you can see the details better by hovering it on. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any suggestions or questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.